Coccolithophores are a really important part of the plankton that have a really fundamental role in all marine ecosystems. They are single cells and extremely tiny. You need a very powerful microscope to be able to see them. But when they bloom in huge concentrations in the sea, we can actually see these blooms from space.
When I looked it up, it opened up this beautiful world of these incredible shapes. What happens with the Coccolithophore when they become the cliffs and all sorts of things like that. So just the story behind them as well is quite fantastic. And my research took me into looking at how the Coccolithophores actually, their actual shapes when they come together. And that's what the dress is based on.
As storytellers, because that's what we are as a community of performing arts through costume, stage, acting, lighting and sound, we are conveyors of storytelling, whether that story is to make people laugh or drama, or to tell issues in a more comfortable way or acceptable way to the public who don't know about these issues, and therefore spread the message to maybe they can get involved and help. So I had a wonderful cohort in the second year who I knew had the skills to come in and work on this hour after hour, which is exactly what they did.
It was interesting to just learn this whole new sort of thing that exists in our environment, and just getting to explore how we can represent it in a way that no one else has.
Yeah, it's not just costume working towards theatre production or film, it's a different avenue of work, but it's also within the realm of our understanding and knowledge.
Yeah, like the collaboration between like science and also
yeah, the collaborations we've done in the past have all been within the sort of arts area, and bringing science into it gives us new inspirations, and it was really fun to have something that I've never heard of before, and I don't think any of us had, to base our work off of. It was really interesting.
New way of education for like lots of people who would never be interested in this now suddenly are because of the way it's presented. That's really cool.
It's just like, as well, like it gives another way for people to view these issues and kind of like interact with them in a way that they wouldn't be able to before, and maybe it helps them understand it a bit better, like especially for like people who aren't as like savvy with the science. Seeing it on a person is like, oh yeah, that's what it is, like it helps it come to life for them in a different way.
Yeah, it's a great educational tool to show people things they wouldn't usually see.
I first saw some buzz around this dress on social media, and I thought it was such an incredible piece and something that would have been really relevant to our Planet Ocean exhibition here at the box. And then I was really lucky that we were contacted by Plymouth Marine Lab to say that the dress might be available. Would we like to display it at the box and include it in the exhibition? So I was delighted that we were able to bring it here and show it to our visitors. People are really curious by it. They're taking a closer look, finding out more about the story behind it, wondering what plankton is. It links up beautifully to the exhibition in that respect, because we go into a lot of detail about why plankton is so important and why people should care about it. So it really is inspiring people to find out more.